You are paying an agency $1,000 a month to run your meta ads and you're getting nothing? Random leads that don't answer, campaigns that don't convert, excuses about algorithm changes and testing phases. And you're thinking, am I the problem? Is my business just not suited for meta ads? Mate, you're not the problem. The agency charging you $1,000 a month, that's the problem. And I'm about to show you exactly why it is mathematically impossible for them to deliver results at that price. I'm Woz. I've been in Australia for 30 years and I help Australian businesses run their own meta ads so they never have to deal with this rubbish again. Let's do some simple maths. First, let's talk about what it actually costs to run a digital marketing agency in Australia. Because these agencies aren't running out of someone's garage. They've got overhead, real overhead. Let me paint you a picture of a small agency. Not some massive operation, just a basic functional agency that can actually deliver results. So the team is, you need at minimum 2 digital marketers, 1 graphic designer, and 1 video editor. That's it. Bare bones, the absolute minimum to run campaigns properly. So let's talk about the salaries. So the real numbers are, like digital marketer in Australia, the average salary is 85,000 to 95 per year. So let's be conservative. Let's say that 85K. So that's 7K per month per person. So 2 digital marketers, approximately 14K per month. Graphic designers, average salary 70K to an 80K per year. Let's say 75K. That's around approximately 6K per month. Video editor, average salary 65 to 75 per year. Let's say 70. That means that around 5.8K per month. So total salaries alone is 14K plus 6K plus 5.8K, approximately 26.3 per month, just in salaries. We haven't even talked about rent yet. So let's talk about the office rent. You need office space, even a small one. Let's say that you are not in Sydney CBD, because that's insane, like $1,000 per desk per month. Let's say you are in a cheaper suburb, co-working space, or flexible office. So 4 people, 4 desks minimum. Sydney suburbs, around $650 per desk per month, or Melbourne, say $550 per desk per month, or Brisbane is $450 per desk per month. Let's use Melbourne as the numbers, so 550 times 4, so 2,200 per month. Actually, or you probably need a small private office, not just desks. Small office, 46 people in Melbourne suburbs, between like 3K to 4.5K per month. Let's say 3.5K per month for an office rent. So let's talk about the other overheads. Like you got internet, electricity, like utilities, say around $300 per month. Like software, meta ads manager, design tools, project management, let's say $500 per month. Insurance, professional indemnity and public liability, say that around $400 per month. Accounting, legal admin, $300 per month. Marketing, $500 per month, because they gotta market themselves. So miscellaneous like office supplies, coffee equipment, this and that, $300 per month. So total overheads, 2.3K per month. Now, let's get to the grand total monthly cost. So salaries 26.2 or 3K, rent is 3.5K, overheads 2.3K. Total $32,000 per month, just to keep the lights on, just to pay the team, just to exist. $32,000 every single month. That's what it costs to run a small agency that can actually deliver results. Now, let's talk about what agencies actually charge. If you're a good agency, one that delivers results, what should you charge? Let's work backwards. So scenario 1, let's say premium agency actually delivers results. So monthly cost to them is their overhead in total is 32K per month. So you want a 30% profit margin, which is the industry standard. That means your revenue needs to be 32K divided by 0.7 equals 45.7 per month. So how many clients do you need? If you charge $3,500 per month per client, which is reasonable for full service of meta ads, 45.7 divided by 3.5K equals to 13 clients approximately. That's manageable. Each digital marketer handles 6 to 7 clients. Designer and video editors support all campaigns. Each client gets strategy calls, campaign setup and optimization, monthly reporting, creative production like graphics and videos, A to B testing, dedicated account management. Total hours per client per month is 15 to 20 hours. That's real service. That's results. Now, let's have a look at this scenario too. Cheap agency charges $1,000 per month. Same monthly costs, 32 grand per month. Same 30% profit margin target. Revenue needed 45.7 per month. How many clients at $1,000 per month? 45.7 divided by 1K is approximately 46 clients. 46 clients per month. Let's break that down. 2 digital marketers, 46 clients, that's 23 clients per marketer. There are roughly 160 working hours per month, which is 40 hours per week times 4 weeks. 160 hours divided by 23 clients, it's 7 hours per client per month. 7 hours. That's less than 2 hours per week per client. What can you actually do in 7 hours a month? Let me tell you what happens in those 7 hours. Week 1, setup campaign, takes 2 hours. Week 2, check metrics, make 1 tweak, 1.5 hours. Week 3, client emails asking why no results response, and you respond with algorithm changes in 1 hour. So week 4, send generic monthly report copied from the template, which takes 2.5 hours. Total 7 hours. No strategy, no real optimization, no creative testing, no customer journey mapping, no proper audience research, no follow-up. Just maintenance. You are paying for maintenance, not marketing. Look, I'm not here to trash all agencies. There are good ones out there, of course. But if you're paying $1,000 a month and wondering why you're not getting results, now you know. The maths don't work. It is not you. It is not your business. It is not the algorithm. It is that you cannot get $3,000 worth of service for a $1,000. Simple as that. So you have 2 choices. 1, pay properly between $3,000 to $6,000 per month for an agency that can actually deliver. 2, learn to do it yourself and control your own marketing. I help with option 2. So 90 days, personal mentoring, Australian businesses only. I take only 5 clients per month and that's it, because I'm not running a volume game. I am running a results game. If you want to break free from agency dependency and take control of your marketing, link is in the description. Personal callback within 24 hours. Let's get you actual results. I'm Woz. Catch you in the next one.